Now let us discuss question number 70 of inorganic chemistry. It is of coordination chemistry. The question says that which of the following complex does not exhibit optical isomerism. We all know all those complexes which do not have plane of symmetry, they shows optical isomerism, while those molecules which have got plane of symmetry, जिनके अंदर plane of symmetry मौजूद है, they are optically inactive. तो जो पहला वाला ऑप्शन है इसके अंदर कोबाल्ट, it is attached to 3 molecules of ammonia and 3 molecules of chlorine in the coordination sphere. It is Ma3B3. M, it is central metal atom. A and B, they are monodentate ligands, and we all know that it will exist in 2 forms, that is facial and meridional. Its both form are optically inactive, or they do not show optical isomerism, or they do not show optical isomerism, in short OI, as they have got plane of symmetry, as they have plane of symmetry. Therefore, the correct option, it is first one, that is CONH33Cl3. It is the correct option. While if we see the other options, that is option number 2nd, 3rd and 4th, they are optically active, or they will show optical isomerism, since they do not have a plane of symmetry. If we see the option number 2nd, its cis form, it shows 4 geometrical isomers, but its 3 trans forms, they are optically inactive, but its cis form, it is optically active, since it does not have any plane of symmetry. I can show this. Just I am making it's only the cis form which is optically active. This is the cis form. Both chlorine, they are 90 with respect to each other. Both ammonia, they are 90 with respect to each other. In, as we all know, it is ethane 1,2-diamine, previously known as ethylene diamine. It is a symmetrical bidentate ligand. It's the cis form, and it does not have any POS, that plane of symmetry. It will show optical isomerism. If we put a mirror all are coordinate bonds. As we all know, ligands, they are attached to central metal ion by coordinate bonds. Its mirror image, it is not superimposable. and thus it will show optical isomerism or optical activity. The other option, it is option number 3rd, says that cobalt, it is attached to 3 symmetrical bidentate ligands. In, we all know, it is a symmetrical bidentate ligand. It also does not have any plane of symmetry. If we put a mirror, then its mirror image, it is also non-superimposable, and it does not have any plane of symmetry. Thus it also exhibits optical isomerism. Optical isomerism show करेगा. It does not show geometrical isomerism. Here all are coordinate bonds. We all know ligand, it is attached to metal ion through coordinate bonds. It does not show geometrical isomerism, but it shows optical isomerism. Thus it is optically active in nature, while the last option says given is cobalt, it is attached to ethylene diamine or ethane 1,2-diamine and chlorido ligands. It exists in 2 forms, that is cis and trans. Cis and trans. Its cis form will show optical isomerism. Cis form is optically active or shows optical isomerism since it does not have any plane of symmetry, while its trans form, it is optically inactive because it has got a plane of symmetry. Thus it also shows optical isomerism. Therefore, in this particular question, the answer is first, that is cobalt attached to 3 ammonia and 3 chlorido ligands, in which its 2 geometrical isomers, that is facial and meridional, both are optically inactive, or rather they do not show optical isomerism since they have got plane of symmetry in them. Thank you.